What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best electric car jack on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. VEVOR Electric Car Jack. The VEVOR Electric Car Jack stands out as a comprehensive solution designed to streamline tire changes and provide peace of mind during unexpected situations. With its robust features and multi-functionality, it's a must-have tool for every car owner. With a remarkable working capacity of 3.0 T/6600 lbs, the VEVOR Electric Car Jack is built to handle various vehicle types, including sports cars. Its 12V vehicle power outlet and low-pressure pull rod enhance its versatility and suitability for different automobiles. Moreover, the jack boasts a dual-motor drive system, ensuring efficient and independent operation, equipped with a wide lifting height range. This electric car jack offers unparalleled convenience. From a minimum height of 155 mm to a maximum height of 450 mm, it enables swift and effortless lifting within minutes. Number 4. ABN 3-ton electric hydraulic jack. The ABN 3-ton electric hydraulic jack emerges as a trusted solution, designed to provide automatic emergency lifting for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, vans, trucks, and SUVs. With its robust features and user-friendly design, it's a must-have tool for drivers navigating unexpected roadside situations. The ABN 3-ton electric hydraulic jack is engineered to tackle roadside emergencies with ease. Equipped with a bright LED light, it ensures visibility and functionality regardless of the time of day or location, allowing you to work safely and efficiently. With a substantial rated capacity of 3 tons, 6,000 pounds, this hydraulic jack offers the strength and stability needed to lift vehicles of various sizes. Its lift range spans from 6 to 17.5 inches, 155 to 450 millimeters, catering to diverse vehicle heights and requirements with ease. Designed for convenience, the ABN electric hydraulic jack plugs into a standard 12V power outlet, ensuring compatibility with most vehicles. The generous 11.5-foot, 3.5-meter cord provides ample reach, allowing you to access all areas of your car, van, truck, or SUV without hassle. Navigating the ABN electric hydraulic jack is straightforward and hassle-free. Number 3. Black Bull EJ212 Electric Car Jack. The Black Bull EJ212 12-volt fully automatic electric car jack emerges as a compact yet powerful solution designed to provide swift and effortless lifting for various vehicles, including sport utility vehicles and trucks. Despite its compact size, the Black Bull boasts an impressive load capacity of 2,000 pounds, ensuring it can handle a range of vehicles with ease. Number 2. Marchin 12V DC Electric Hydraulic Floor Jack. The Marchin 12V DC 5-ton electric car jack kit emerges as a versatile and powerful solution, designed to simplify tire changes and car repairs for vehicles of all sizes. Equipped with a 12V vehicle power outlet, the Marchin electric car jack boasts a remarkable torque of 340 Nm, enabling it to effortlessly lift vehicles weighing up to 5 tons, 11,000 pounds. Its hydraulic drive design ensures swift and efficient lifting, allowing you to elevate your car in less than a minute, saving valuable time and effort. Operating the Marchin electric car jack is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. Simply press the button on the top after connecting the power, and the jack will automatically lift or lower as needed. Built-in safety features ensure peace of mind during use, with the jack stopping automatically if it exceeds the height limit or maximum load weight, ensuring stability and security throughout the lifting process. The Marchin electric car jack comes complete with a tire inflator pump, eliminating the worry of flat tires during emergencies. Additionally, the compact and organized storage box includes an electric impact wrench, LED light, power cable, battery clamp connecting cable, and gloves, providing everything you need for efficient car repairs and maintenance tasks. With its portable hydraulic design, the Marchin electric car jack is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Number 1. Powerbuilt 620484E Electric Car Jack. The Powerbuilt electric car jack offers a convenient 2-in-1 solution designed to help you tackle flat tires and vehicle lifts effortlessly. With its compact design and practical features, it's a must-have for drivers navigating unexpected challenges on the road. The Powerbuilt combines an electric floor jack and tire inflator in one compact unit, making it a versatile and practical tool for emergency roadside use. Powered by a 12V car outlet and the vehicle's battery, it provides seamless operation for lifting vehicles and inflating tires with ease. Included with the electric jack is a range of accessories to enhance functionality and convenience. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.